A woman who turned personal pain into a push for change is celebrating a major victory in Albany.
News Channel 9's Ashley Cafaro says the CREEP Act, aimed at closing loopholes in the state's stalking law, has now passed both the state assembly and Senate. Only needs the governor's signature.
For years, Melissa Patnella says she was fighting two battles, one against her stalker and another against a system she says failed victims like her.
It just felt like everyone kept saying, well, this is just how it is and this is what you have to live with, which is why this all turned into this big fight for things to actually change.
Now, that fight is finally paying off, with the CREEP Act one step closer to becoming New York law after passing both the Senate and Assembly.
I felt like I really couldn't let myself be hopeful in the process. So to find out that not something good, but really something amazing was going to come out of this was, the most relief I've ever felt in my life.
Right now, orders of protection are largely limited to family or intimate relationships, unless a criminal case is filed. But if the CREEP Act is signed into law, it would create new civil anti-stalking protections for victims, allowing them to seek court-ordered protection before a criminal case is filed.
For people who say that it's just a piece of paper, I can say from my experience, when I had that piece of paper, my stalker did not break it once. And then as soon as that paper went away, because court took it away, he started harassing and stalking me again.
Melissa says passing the law is only half the battle. Making sure victims know their rights is just as crucial.
A huge part of laws like this becoming successful is people actually knowing about them. That's a huge hole in the system, right? People didn't realize that we didn't have protection, but people don't also realize that we now will.
And Melissa says that she's hopeful the governor will sign the bill and give future stalking victims the protections she's been fighting for years. In Syracuse, Ashley Cafaro, News Channel 9.
If Governor Hochul signs the bill, the CREEP Act would become New York state law.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.